Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So in today's session, we are going to explore Moodle, one of the most widely used learning management system in the world. Whether you are a teacher setting up your first online course or a student trying to navigate your learning materials, this tutorial will give you the foundation you need. So what is Moodle? Moodle is an open source platform designed to make teaching and learning easier, more flexible and more interactive. Think of it as your online classroom. It's where teachers can upload resources, create assignments, run quizzes, and communicate with students. For learners, it's the central hub to access lectures, submit work, and track progress. So, for whom it is important? Thousands of universities, schools, and organizations use Moodle because it's customizable, user friendly, and free to access. It's built to support collaborations, so you will often find discussion forums, group projects, and interactive activities alongside traditional course materials. So what this tutorial will include. In this tutorial, we'll walk through the basic how to log in, navigate the dashboard, access your courses, and find your learning materials. We'll also look at how teachers can add content, set up assignment, and engage students through activities. By the end of this session, you will feel confident using Moodle for your teaching or learning journey. So let's get started by logging in and taking a look at Moodle dashboard.